Morning class 3, hope you all are good. I am your English teacher. My name is Rafia Manover. So open your Read Now book. Today we are going to complete the reading and explanation of the chapter The Hedgehog and the Hare. Dear student, the story was about the hedgehog and the hare. Dear students, we have read in the story that hare made the fun of short legs of the hedgehog and hedgehog offered him to run a race to break the pride of hare. Dear students, now reading of remaining chapter, we will see who will win the race. Dear students, open page number 22. From here we will start our remaining part of reading and explanation. We have to start from here. I will not race with you just now, said the hedgehog. I am very hungry and must go home for breakfast. I will be back again in half an hour. Yes, dear students, have you seen what the hedgehog is saying to the hare? He is saying, I am not starting race with you just now. Why? Because he is feeling hungry. I am very hungry and must go home for breakfast. And he wants to go for breakfast at his home. And what he said? He will be back in half an hour later. The hare said that he would wait for him, and the hedgehog went off home. And the hare replied that he will wait for him. That rude hare is far too proud, said the little hedgehog to himself. I will teach him not to be so boastful. The hare thought that he will be teach to the hare that not be so proudful. When he reached home, he asked his wife to help him play a joke on the hare. Here's my plan. He said, you and I look so much alike that the hare cannot tell the difference between us. Dear students, here the meaning of joke will be fun. Plan means scheme of action. After reaching home, Hedgehog asked his wife for help. He said, I have a plan or scheme. We both are looks same and hare cannot tell the difference between us. We must hide at the far end of the furrow just before the hare reaches you. Pop up your head in front of him and say, I knew I could beat you quite easily. Dear students, pop up means appear suddenly and beat means defeat. He instructed to his wife that you must hide far end of the rows, and when the hare will be near to reach you, and what you have to do, you have to appear suddenly and you have to say, I knew very well that I can beat you easily, that I can give you defeat easily. So they reached the field, and the little hedgehog placed his wife at the far end of the furrows. Then he went to the other end where he found the hare waiting for him. Dear students, reached mean arrive and placed mean put in a particular position. Yes, dear students, when the hedgehog reached in the fields, I have told you fields mean plot of land. When he reached in the fields, he left his wife at the particular position at some distance away. Then he went to the other end where the hare was waiting for him. Let us start at once, said the proud hare. What the hare said, he said, let's start the race. I am now quite ready, said the little hedgehog, as he took his place in his furrow. Dear students, quite mean completely. And the hedgehog replied him, I am completely ready. And he took his place in his rows. The hare hopped into the next furrows and took his place. Then he called, ready, steady, go, and off he ran like the wind. Dear students, steady means sure. Hop means small jump. The hare jumped in the next rows, then he sat very steady and they started their race. And the hare ran like the speed of wind. The little hedgehog ran only a few steps and he lay quite still among the leaves just before the hare reached the far end of the furrows. The hedgehog's wife popped up her head and said, I knew I could beat you quite easily. Dear students, quiet means calm and still means quiet. The little creature ran only a few steps, then he laid down calmly. Why? Because he cannot run fast and he decided to deceive the rabbit to break his pride. So just before the reaching of here at the ending point, the hedgehog wife appeared suddenly, and what he said? I knew very well that I can defeat you easily. The hare stood still in wonder. Well, I never, he exclaimed. Surprised, exclaimed means shouted. Why he was surprised? He was surprised because he was sure that he will win the race. Now what happened? Hedgehog won the race and so he was very surprised. I will race you back, said the hare. You cannot beat me again. The hare is not ready to accept his defeat, so he said, we will run again. Of course I can, answered Mrs. Hedgehog. The hare turned back quickly and ran back through his furrow even faster than before. Now the hare turned back and ran faster than before. Just before he reached the other end, Mr. Hedgehog popped up his head and shouted, ha ha, I have beaten you again, Mr. Hare. Just before the reaching on at the other point, Mr. Hedgehog appeared suddenly and what he shouted? He shouted, ha ha. I have defeated you again, Mr. Hare. I cannot understand this at all, said the hare in amazement. Let us try another race. The hare was surprised and he had said confusedly that I am unable to understand. Let us run again. Very well, replied Mr. Hedgehog. This time the hare counted 1, 2, 3 and was off like a shot from a gun. When he had almost reached the other end, Mrs. Hedgehog jumped up in front of him and said, well, Mr. Hare, I am first again. Dear students, have you seen? Hare is not ready to accept his defeat. So after counted 1, 2, 3, the race is started again. Dear students, shot means fire of gun. So this time Hare ran like a fire of gun. But when he reached at the other ending point, what he saw? He saw Hedgehog jumped in front of him and what he said, well, Mr. Hare, I am first again. Race with me for the last time, begged the hare. All right, replied Mrs. Hedgehog. Dear students, begged means for ask. Begged to ask. Now the hare asked from Mrs. Hedgehog, please race with me for the last time. Off the hare went down the furrow, but again he was met by Mr. Hedgehog, who said, it is no use. I can beat you every time. Now what happened? When he reached the other point, he met to Mr. Hedgehog and he said, I can beat you every time. The hare was now too tired to run any more and so he hopped slowly and sadly away. Now the hare was feeling so tired. So he jumped slowly and sadly went away. The little hedgehog laughed and laughed. Brains are far better than legs, said Mr. Hedgehog to his happy little wife. What the hedgehog said to his wife? He said, using of brain is better than using of legs. Mr. Hare will not be so proud next time we meet him. And now they are hopeful when next time they will meet with Hare, he will be not so proudful. We can see in the picture, after defeating the hare, the hedgehogs are feeling very happy and how the hare is going home sadly.